Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bone healing is probably one of the most crucial aspects of recovering from a fracture. This video dives deep into the world of bone healing supplements, exploring how they can potentially accelerate your recovery and improve your overall bone health. We'll cover the key nutrients and supplements that play a vital role in bone repair, helping you make informed decisions to support your body's natural healing process and get you back on your feet faster. Number 5. Sports Research D3K2 with coconut oil. Vitamins D3 and K2 are essential on their own, but together, they form a powerful team. Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium, and vitamin K2 directs calcium to your bones. This combination is designed to support your bone and immune health. This supplement is plant-based, featuring vegan D3 from lichen and K2 from fermented chickpeas. It also includes coconut MCT oil for better absorption. It's a 2-in-1 super supplement, free of animal ingredients and encapsulated in a plant gel soft gel. Get the benefits with just one soft gel a day. It provides 125 micrograms, 5,000 IU, of vegan D3 and 100 micrograms of vitamin K2, as 7 Malawian kwachas. This formula is designed to support stronger bones and boost your immune system. This supplement is vegan certified, non-GMO project verified, and free of unwanted fillers. Each batch undergoes third-party testing for quality. It's manufactured in the USA in a CGMP-compliant facility, ensuring the highest standards. Sports Research is a family-owned business, founded in 1980. Their goal is to create research-backed products for everyone. They are dedicated to supporting your journey to wellness, inside and out. What we like. This supplement uses vegan D3 and K2, making it a great choice for those following a plant-based diet. It also features enhanced absorption with added coconut MCT oil. If you are looking for a bone health supplement that aligns with your vegan lifestyle and offers superior absorption, you should consider this. What people say. The combination of 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 and 100 micrograms of 7 Malawian kwachas vitamin K2 makes me feel confident that I'm supporting my bone health and immune system effectively. The soft gels are small and easy to swallow with no aftertaste, which is a big plus. Sports Research's D3 product first earned my respect when I had changed over to them due to poor testing results in my D3 lab work. I didn't change my dose, only the brand, yet 5 months later when I had my next round of labs completed my doctor asked, "What did you change on your vitamin D intake?" My vitamin D numbers had improved significantly. Number 4. NATURELO Calcium Supplement, Bone Strength. This is NATURELO Bone Strength, a plant-based supplement designed to support your bone health. It includes essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and zinc, along with vitamins D3, K2, and C. This combination helps to keep your bones strong and healthy. This supplement offers a complete nutritional approach to bone health. It provides a blend of vitamins and minerals that work together to support bone density. The formula is designed to give your body the support it needs. The formula is designed to help your body absorb calcium effectively. With the inclusion of vitamin D3 and K2, it helps direct calcium to your bones. This ensures that your body can make the most of the calcium. Each serving provides 600 milligrams of calcium with vitamin D3, which is especially important as you get older. It's also beneficial for women during perimenopause and menopause. This helps to maintain bone strength. This supplement is made with clean, non-GMO ingredients and is free from unnecessary additives. It's also gluten-free, dairy-free, and suitable for vegans and vegetarians. You can trust that it's made with care. NATURELO believes in the power of nature for your nutrition. They use the cleanest, most bioavailable ingredients to create whole food nutrition. This product is made with love and care. What we like. This product provides a comprehensive blend of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, zinc, and vitamins D3, K2, and C. It is designed to support calcium absorption, directing it effectively towards the bones. If you are looking for a well-rounded supplement to support overall bone health, you should consider this. What people say. We like that all the calcium has been derived from plant sources and are easy digested and absorbed. I love that it's plant-based, non-GMO, and free from soy and gluten, which is hard to find in such a well-rounded formula. The combination of calcium, magnesium, vitamin D3, K2, C, and zinc makes this a powerhouse for bone health. Number 3. New Chapter Calcium Supplement, Bone Strength. This calcium supplement provides a clinical strength dose of calcium with K2 and D3. It supports bone density, strong teeth, and cardiovascular health. It also helps with healthy joint support. The supplement uses USDA organic plant-based calcium from wild red marine algae. It includes magnesium and over 70 naturally occurring trace minerals. This is backed by 27 studies. This supplement is expertly formulated with vitamin D3 for better absorption. It also contains K2 to direct calcium to bones. It's a great alternative to calcium citrate. These are slim calcium tablets designed for easy swallowing. They provide bone support with a slow and steady release. You will find it easy to take. It is USDA organic, non-GMO project verified, 100% vegan, certified kosher, and certified gluten-free by NSF. The ingredients are harvested from Iceland. What we like. This supplement uses organic calcium from wild red marine algae and includes 70+ naturally occurring trace minerals. It is designed for easy absorption with vitamin D3 and K2. If you like a supplement that is easy to swallow and packed with a variety of nutrients, you should consider this. What people say. I have had noticeable improvement in my bone density. The type of algae they use is from Iceland and it is the best type, better than algae cows which comes from South America. No GI upset of any kind, very soothing to my body, a little extra D3, and my DEXA scans have stayed stable, sometimes even improving, which is tough to do. Number 2. MaryRuth Organics Calcium D3 K2 Gummies. These gummies come in 3 delicious flavors, peach, mango, and apricot. They are made from lichen and natto. This supplement is a tasty way to support your bone and joint health. The combination of vitamins D3 and K2 aids the body in calcium absorption. This can offer additional support to bone health. It's a great alternative to just taking calcium alone. Vitamin K2 activates osteocalcin, which helps bind calcium to bones. It may also help maintain vascular health. This ensures your body utilizes calcium effectively. Forget about swallowing pills. These gummies are easy to chew and perfect for ages 2 and up. Just 1 gummy a day provides a convenient way to get your vitamins. These gummies are non-GMO, vegan, and free of common allergens. They are made with organic cane sugar and are kid-friendly. This product is also B Corp certified and Clean Label Project verified. What we like. This product comes in delicious gummy form with 3 flavors, making it a fun and easy way to get your daily dose of bone-supporting nutrients. It is also kid-friendly and supports joint health. If you like a tasty and convenient supplement, especially for those who have difficulty swallowing pills, you should consider this. What people say. Good product and it has K2 in it to help with absorption and bone support. After a month, my nails are stronger. I have not had a vitamin D deficiency since I started taking these. Number 1. Life Extension Bone Restore with Vitamin K2. Your bones need calcium to stay strong and healthy. This supplement delivers 3 forms of easy-to-absorb calcium, along with vitamin D3, to give your body the support it needs for bone strength. Strong bones need more than just calcium. That's why this product includes vitamin K2, which plays a crucial role in bone health and calcium absorption. It helps ensure you're getting enough of this hard-to-get vitamin. This formula includes magnesium to maintain bone strength. It also delivers minerals like zinc, manganese, and silicon to encourage healthy bone formation. It even includes a special form of boron for bone and joint strength. This product is made with the finest raw ingredients, ensuring purity and potency. The majority of the products are non-GMO, gluten-free, and manufactured in the USA. A certificate of analysis is available for every product. For over 40 years, we've been developing advanced, effective formulas based on the latest scientific findings. We believe the answers to a healthier life are within reach, and this product is designed with specific ingredients and amounts based on scientific studies. What we like. This supplement provides 3 forms of absorbable calcium, along with vitamins D3 and K2, and essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, manganese, and silicon. It is formulated to support bone strength and overall bone health. If you are looking for a comprehensive formula that includes a variety of minerals for bone health, you should consider this. What people say. Very helpful to have the K2 Vits added to the calcium in this supplement. I was looking for a quality supplement with enough vitamins and minerals to support bone restoration and came across this one. I really appreciate that it's non-GMO and gluten-free. The capsules are easy to swallow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.